Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create shared Google Sheets. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google Sheets application on your phone, and after that you can select the file that you want to share to other users. And for example, I'm going to share this file, so I'm just going to click on this three dots button. Then after that we can click on manage access right here to change the access. And if we want to add people or add account to our Google Sheets file, we can click on this button. Then we can type the account right here. We can type the account that we want to add to our Google Sheets. So for example, I'm going to add this account and also this account. And after we're done adding the account to collaborate with us in Google Sheets, we can click on the share button. Then right after we click on share, that the accounts that we have added to our Google Sheets can edit this Google Sheets file. Okay guys, and that's how we can create shared Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.